What is the slope of a line that forms an angle of pi over 4 with a line whose slope is 1/2? Let us begin. So let's say we have a line that's given to us having a slope of 1/2. So we're going to consider the slope of that line to be m1. So m1 is given as 1/2. We have another line. So this another line is going to intersect the previous line at an angle of pi over 4 radians. Our goal will be to determine the slope of this second line. So here what we can use the formula for finding the angle between two lines. So that's given by tangent of theta. If theta is the angle between the two lines, that's given by the absolute value of slope m1 minus slope m2 divided by 1 plus the product of the two slopes, m1 times m2. Now here it's given that the value of theta that's equals to pi over 4 radians. So let's substitute theta with pi over 4. So the tangent of pi over 4 radians, that will be equals to m1. So I've considered m1 to be equals to 1/2. So we have 1/2 minus m2 divided by 1 plus half times m2. Now what's the value of tangent of pi over 4? That's simply equals to 1. So we have 1 equals to 1 minus 2 times m2 divided by 2 plus m2. Our goal will be now to solve for the value of m2. So here what we can do, we can take two values. We can consider 1 minus 2 times m2 divided by 2 plus m2 to be equals to -1, or we can consider 1 minus 2 times m2 divided by 2 plus m2 to be equals to +1. Let's solve them independently. We'll cross multiply. So we have 1 minus 2 times m2. So this will be equals to -2 minus m2, which is going to give us 2m2 minus m2 equals to 2 plus 1. So we have m2 equals to 3. So this is one of this value. Or we could have the other possibility, 1 minus 2 times m2 equals to 2 plus m2. We get 3 times m2 equals to -1. So we have m2 equals to -1 over 3. So there are two possibilities. So the slope could be either 3 or it could be -1 over 3. So in both of the two cases, it is going to make an angle of pi over 4 with another line having a slope of 1/2.